Are you struggling to find a job? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to change that. Welcome to this crash course on LinkedIn for job seekers. We'll guide you through the registration process, show you how to set up a stellar profile, teach you how to use the platform effectively, and share tips on how to leverage LinkedIn for your job search. So, buckle up for an informative ride. And remember, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up for more valuable content. The first step on our LinkedIn journey is registration. It's as simple as heading over to linkedin.com and clicking on Join Now. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your name, email address, and a password of your choice. Now here's a pro tip. LinkedIn will assign you a URL that's a jumble of letters and numbers, but you can and should customize it. A personalized URL, preferably with your name, looks much more professional and is easier to share. Next up, you'll be given the option to import your contacts. This is a great way to kickstart your network, so don't skip this step. LinkedIn will suggest people you might know based on your email contacts. You can choose to connect with them or skip and do this later. And there you have it. You're now a part of the LinkedIn community. Ready to take the next step? Let's dive into setting up your LinkedIn profile. Now that you're registered, it's time to set up your LinkedIn profile. This isn't just a social media profile. Think of it more like your digital resume, a professional snapshot of you, accessible to recruiters and industry leaders worldwide. Your profile will have several sections, and each one is an opportunity to showcase what you bring to the table. Let's start with your summary. This is your elevator pitch, a concise introduction that encapsulates your skills, experience, and career aspirations. Make it engaging and professional. And remember, first impressions matter. Next, your experience section. Here, you can list your previous roles, responsibilities, and achievements. Paint a vivid picture of your professional journey. Don't be shy to highlight your accomplishments, but keep it factual. The education section is where you list your academic qualifications. Whether you've got a high school diploma or a doctorate, it's worth mentioning here. In the skills section, list your professional skills. These could range from project management to digital marketing, depending on your field. LinkedIn allows you to list up to 50 skills, but quality always trumps quantity. Make sure your top skills reflect your career goals. Recommendations can add credibility to your profile. Request recommendations from colleagues, managers, or professors who can vouch for your skills and work ethic. Finally, join relevant groups. They're a great way to stay updated on industry trends and network with like-minded professionals. With a well-optimized profile, you're already ahead of many LinkedIn users. So take your time, make it compelling, and remember your LinkedIn profile is your professional brand. Having a profile is great, but LinkedIn's real power comes from its use. Now, let's dive into how to effectively engage on this platform. Engagement on LinkedIn isn't just about scrolling through your feed. It's about being active, sharing your thoughts, and building connections. Think of it as a virtual networking event. You want to put yourself out there, start conversations, and make an impact. Start by sharing posts. This could be industry news, career accomplishments, or thought leadership pieces. Sharing content that aligns with your professional interests not only showcases your expertise, but also sparks conversations with your connections. Next, get into the habit of liking and commenting on others' posts. This is a simple way to show your interest and stay visible in your network. Remember, every like and comment you make can be seen by your connections and beyond, broadening your professional reach. Lastly, don't shy away from sending messages. Whether it's to congratulate someone on a new job, ask for advice, or propose a business idea, messages can be a powerful tool for building relationships. However, a word of caution here, always keep it professional. LinkedIn is not a casual social media platform. It's a place to showcase your professional self. So always think about how your activity reflects on you as a professional. Remember, your LinkedIn activity is a reflection of your professional interests and ambitions. Now, for the part you've been waiting for, using LinkedIn for job searches. If you've ever wondered where recruiters go to find top talent, LinkedIn is often their first stop. That's right, this isn't just a platform for networking and sharing business articles. It's a virtual hunting ground for hiring managers and recruiters looking for the best candidates. So, How can you make sure you're on their radar? It all starts with the job search feature. This tool allows you to search for jobs based on keywords, location, industry, and more. To get the most out of this feature, make sure you're using filters and keywords that align with the job you're seeking. Are you a graphic designer? Use terms like graphic design, Adobe Creative Suite, and visual communication. Now, let's talk about the Easy Apply feature. This is a lifesaver for anyone who's tired of filling out lengthy application forms. With Easy Apply, you can submit your LinkedIn profile along with a personalized message to potential employers in just a few clicks. It's quick, it's easy, and it's designed to help you apply to more jobs in less time. But what if you're looking to learn new skills or brush up on existing ones? That's where LinkedIn Learning comes in. This platform offers a wide range of courses taught by industry experts. Whether you want to learn Python programming, digital marketing strategies, or project management principles, LinkedIn Learning has got you covered. And remember, the more active you are on LinkedIn, the more visible you'll be to potential employers. So, comment on posts, share interesting articles, and engage with your network. With these LinkedIn job search strategies, you're well on your way to landing your dream job. Let's quickly go over what we've learned today. From registration to profile setup, we've seen that LinkedIn is more than just a social networking site. It's your digital resume, a platform to engage with others professionally, and most importantly, a game changer in job searching. Remember, recruiters are using LinkedIn to find talents like you. So, put these tips into practice and let LinkedIn open doors for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop your questions or success stories in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this quick LinkedIn journey. We hope you found it helpful and are now ready to take your job search to the next level. Don't forget to explore our other videos for more career tips and strategies. And remember, staying connected through LinkedIn is key to your professional growth. So, don't hesitate to tap into this powerful tool. Remember, your professional network is just a click away on LinkedIn.